How to fix Messenger floating video call not working on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will see how we can fix if the Messenger floating video call is not working or minimizing properly on Android. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch settings in your device. On the settings, tap on apps. On the app, scroll down a bit and head towards the special app access. Once you land on this interface, first of all scroll down a bit and head towards the third option, that is display over other application, or you can simply search for that option and then tap on it. Once you're here, now you have to search for Messenger. You can simply use the search icon at the top right corner and here search for Messenger and then tap on it. If you have not allowed display over other apps, then make sure to turn on this toggle. Once you have done that, now you can go back. Again, go one step back and here scroll down a bit. Now tap on picture in picture and again search for Messenger. If this toggle is turned off, make sure to turn it on. So once you're done with the settings, go back and check whether your problem is now solved or not. If still not, then make sure that the Messenger application is up to date. Sometimes if the application is missing out any updates, it may not function properly. So you have to check for the updates. For that, open up Play Store in your device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner and in the search bar, search for Messenger and see if there is any updates available. If you see the updates, make sure to install them all. After that, your problem will be solved. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.